think you had yesterday, you had gone through the video, but you had one doubt about root 7. See, root 7 we consider it is in between of, the 7 is in between of which two square numbers. So the 7 is 2 square and 3 square, 4 and 9. So it is in between 4 and 9. It is in between 4 and 9. So that's why we take base as the smaller one we take it as a base, and its root we take. So base is 2. And as I told, altitude will be 1 centimeter. So when you construct, you will get 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter on the number line. Okay, so this will be root 5 you will be getting when you solve for Bodhayana Sutra. You will get root 5. So till you get root 7, the construction will go on. Means this you will take again base, and this will be the height of 1 centimeter. Okay, so the system, this will continue. So again this will act like a hypotenuse and it will become root 6. Okay, the same thing will continue till you get the root 7. The procedure should be followed. So I think you have doubt here. Okay, so base will change here. Instead of 1 centimeter, we are taking 2 centimeter here. So 1 centimeter. I hope you have understood this. So let me solve one more so that you can clearly understand this concept. Okay, so if I want to plot root 24 on the number line. Okay, if I want to plot root 24 on the number line, the same procedure. So I have to find out what base I should take and what is the height I should take here. Okay. Hypotenuse. Okay, so 24 is in between of the square numbers 4 square and 5 square. So 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. So in between of these two numbers. So I suppose to take the smaller one. So here the base will become 4 centimeter. As I told, its root to be taken. Okay, so 4 centimeter. Okay, now let me take, see, as I told yesterday, I told here if I take only base and if I keep fix the 1 centimeter altitude, the spiral will be around 7 spirals you have to draw. So we will reduce that and we will go for the altitude also. Means it is like this. See, in 24 you subtract this value, 16 value. Okay, 8 will remain. 8 will remain. Okay, in that 8 again you think it is in between which two square numbers? It is in between 2 square and 3 square, that is 4 and 9. So it is lesser, actually greater it is. So let us take this number, smaller one. Okay, so here altitude will change to 2 centimeter. Okay, so we have got base 4 centimeter and altitude 2 centimeters. So like this we have to plot a number line now. Okay, just I will show it here. Boys, one thing I will just write down here, and because I need much space in this, so I am writing here 24 minus 16, 8 you got, it is in between 2 square and 3 square, that is 4 and 9. So we are considering this. So altitude is 2 centimeters. So base we are taking 4 and this altitude we have taken 2. So let us draw this one. One centimeter I have taken. Okay, so on this number line I have to plot the baseline. Okay, let me give the name OA. From O to A, that is 4 centimeter. Means still here I have to take. OA 4 centimeter, then AB 2 centimeter, not 1 centimeter. AB 2 centimeter. Okay, AB 2 centimeter. So if we take B as 4 and A as 2, hypotenuse how much we have got? Sorry, we didn't do calculation that one. Okay, let us do the calculation. The square of the hypotenuse, base square plus altitude square, that is 4 square plus 2 square. It implies 16 plus 4, that is 20. Or hypotenuse is root 20. Hypotenuse is root 20. Means the hypotenuse value what we are getting here is root 20. But we supposed to get root 24. So as I said earlier, till you get 24, you have to construct once again. See here, once again, root 20, don't, you can now for spiral, you keep it 1 centimeter fixed here. See, again construct OB as a base, root 20. From B, draw an perpendicular line with altitude 1 centimeter. Okay, so give the BC line 1 centimeter. If you join OC, it will be of hypotenuse root 21. It will be of hypotenuse root 21. So again do the same thing. From the point C, draw a perpendicular of 1 centimeter. Okay, then its hypotenuse will be root 22. Again from D, 90 degree of 1 centimeter, this will be root 23. Again 90 degree, this is root 24. So D, E, F. So here OF is the required line. So with taking this as a radius, if you draw an arc, see actually, wait, I have made this one. Let me use this. Okay, anyhow I have got a problem with this. Let me complete by this. Taking OF as a radius. Taking OF as a radius, if you draw an arc, it will come very nearer to 5. It will come very nearer to 5 like this. Because root 24 is very nearer to 25, which is a perfect square. So nearly it will come to 5. Here is the root 24. Okay, very nearer to 5 you will get. I hope you have understood. If you have got any confusion, by all means you can send me the message. Thank you. Dhanyavad.